Hey everyone, if OnlyOffice Sync is not working, files are not updating, or changes are not appearing across devices, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to restore syncing again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sync depends heavily on a stable connection, and weak internet can break it. Next, refresh the page or restart OnlyOffice. Yeah, temporary glitches can stop sync from updating properly. Make sure you're logged into the correct OnlyOffice account. I mean, syncing won't work if you're signed into a different account. Check whether you have editing permission for the file. So view-only access can prevent sync changes from saving across devices. If you're using the web version, clear cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with syncing. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Network routing issues can sometimes block sync services. Make sure you're running the latest version of OnlyOffice. Yeah, updates often fix syncing bugs and improve stability. Sometimes the issue is on the cloud side. I mean, server downtime or maintenance can temporarily break syncing. Try logging out and logging back in. So reconnecting your account can refresh sync tokens and fix connection issues. If sync still doesn't work, try another device. Yeah, this helps identify whether the issue is device-specific. If nothing works, reinstall OnlyOffice completely. A fresh installation can fix corrupted sync components. If you're still facing sync issues, contact OnlyOffice support. They may be able to check account level or server-side problems, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the OnlyOffice sync not working problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.